Today I want to give you two beautiful idioms, and these both idioms will have similar meaning. At first I would like to let you know what are the idioms, what are the two idioms, and thereafter I will let you know the meaning of these two idioms. So first one is an apple of discord, and second one is a bone of contention. CONTENTION, CONTENTION, bone of contention. And the meaning of these both idioms is झगड़े की वजह या विवाद की वजह. इट मीन्स ये इडियम तब लगाना है जब किसी रीजन से फाइट हो रही हो या डिस्प्यूट हुआ हो, यानी विवाद हुआ हो, यानी विवाद की वजह या तो झगड़े की वजह. Let's understand these two idioms with some examples. So among those, first one is a small piece of land. A small piece of land is an apple of discord between two siblings. यानी दो सगे भाइयों के बीच एक जमीन का छोटा सा टुकड़ा जो है वो विवाद की वजह है. We can get some more examples like the property is a bone of contention between a husband and a wife. यानी कि एक पति और एक पत्नी के बीच जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो झगड़े की वजह है. Right? Take one example from politics. Like a seat is a bone of contention between two politicians. यानी दो राजनीतिज्ञों यानी दो नेताओं के बीच ये जो सीट है वो झगड़े की वजह है. And last but not the least, a small piece of bread is a bone of contention between two dogs. मतलब दो कुत्तों के बीच एक रोटी का छोटा सा टुकड़ा झगड़े की वजह है. I hope that you must have understood these two beautiful idioms, or you will bring these idioms in your speaking. So now I would like to conclude it, and I will meet you in my next video. Goodbye. See you.